Welcome to this video about Tachyum and their Prodigy 2-based supercomputer design. For the last 3 years, Tachyum has been touting their Prodigy universal processor as the next great advance in CPUs and GPUs, but the chip still has yet to reach full production. Now, they're looking ahead to their Prodigy 2-based supercomputer design that they hope can deliver 20 ExaFLOPS performance and 10 AI zettaflops and only 60 megawatts of power and a 6,000 square foot footprint. Last year, the U.S. Department of Energy expressed interest in procuring a supercomputer that could meet these specifications, and Tachyum said they submitted a proposal to do just that. Their supercomputer design nudges them towards these goals, but they don't quite give specifics on the performance they expect from Prodigy 2. The Prodigy processor is being touted as the first ever universal processor, able to handle a wide range of computing workloads. It comes with 128 64-bit fluid cores, and each core has two 1024-bit vector units and one 4096-bit matrix unit. It was estimated to pack a power of up to 950 watts and require liquid cooling. Prodigy 2, the follow-up, is likely to increase the number of cores, employ HBM3 and PCIe 6.0 with CXL. It is expected to feature integrated networking capabilities too. In short, Tachyum is pushing the boundaries of HPC performance and crossing the threshold of AI zettascale with their supercomputers. So to recap, Tachyum has been working for 3 years now on the Prodigy processor, which is still yet to reach production. However, the company is now looking at the Prodigy 2-based supercomputer design in order to meet the demands of the U.S. Department of Energy. This new design promises 20 ExaFLOPS performance and 10 AI zettaflops and a power usage of only 60 megawatts and a 6,000 square foot footprint. With Prodigy 2, they look to be setting a new high-water mark in computer technology.